Mr. Ness from World Famous Foods. Curry, shrimp, today. Check us out. Okay, folks, we're gonna wash our shrimp. Put some lemon juice also in here. Now we're going to season our shrimp. Some all-purpose seasoning here. A little bit of black pepper. That smell. A little bit of onion powder, not too much. A little bit of garlic powder. Again, World Famous Foods coming to you from New York City, baby. And some curry powder. Okay. All right, folks, we got our hot oil. Now we're gonna add some bell peppers. And some onions and garlic. Let that saute for a couple minutes. Time to add some curry. Turn our heat down a little bit. Of course, once you're doing curry, you gotta add some garlic. The garlic kind of enhances the curry. And we add some water to this now. See that color? Getting there. Okay, folks, so we added that water. Now we're gonna add some habaneros and some serrano peppers. We're going to bring this to a boil. Alrighty. Now, add some tomatoes. And my boy's favorite seasoning, the bay leaves. The bay leaves, Pito, the bay leaves. Okay, folks, now it's time to add our shrimp. All we gotta do is just watch for the shrimp to start changing color, okay? Watch for the shrimp to change color. Okay, let's check our shrimp. Oh yeah. Okay. Folks, look at that. World Famous Foods Curry Shrimp 2023 from New York City. Enjoy.